In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping in Basecamp. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to navigate our way over to the Pings tab in the Basecamp interface. You'll notice that it's conveniently located at the top of your screen, making it easy to access from anywhere within the app. Basecamp has designed this layout to streamline your workflow, so you can seamlessly switch between projects and conversations without missing a beat. Once you're in the Pings section, it's time to start a new conversation. To do this, look for the New Ping button or simply click on the plus icon. This function allows you to initiate a new private chat thread, which is a great way to communicate on a one-to-one basis or with a small group without cluttering up the main project discussions. Now that you've opened a new ping, it's time to select the recipients for this conversation. Basecamp makes it easy to choose one or more people from your team to start the dialogue. It's important to note that only the individuals you specifically select will have access to this ping, ensuring that your conversation remains private and targeted. This can be particularly useful when you need to share sensitive information or when the topic is relevant to a select few. With your recipients chosen, you're ready to compose your message. Basecamp's text editor in the Pings section is straightforward and user-friendly. You can simply type your message as you would in any other chat application. Additionally, if you need to share external content, you can paste in URLs directly. One nice feature is that these links will automatically generate previews, giving your recipients a quick glimpse of what the link includes. If for some reason you prefer not to have these previews, they can be easily removed, keeping your message clean and succinct. After composing your message, go ahead and hit send. The ping will now appear in your pings list, where you'll find all your ongoing conversations. For any new replies or updates, unread badges will mark the pings you haven't yet checked. This makes it simple to keep track of which conversations need your attention and which can wait. And if you're ever looking to revisit a particular discussion, scrolling through your list of existing threads makes reopening past pings an absolute breeze. So there you have it. Pinging in Basecamp is a straightforward and efficient way to keep your communications organized and focused. With these steps, you can ensure that your team stays informed and connected, enhancing your overall productivity and collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.